guys. How's everyone doing tonight? What's happening? I couldn't remember what day it was today. I seem to have that problem lately. Never know what day it is. So let me get us up on here and see what's going on. Swipe left. What the hey? Is my comments on or not? What is going on tonight? Hey guys, how are you? Hi Linda. There we are. Okay, I started seeing comments. I thought, oh, my comments turned off. What's going on, guys? How are you? So, hey Tina. Hey Tammy. Hey Carol. So, hey Kathy. So tonight, one of the things we're going to do, does anybody have one of these things? These zip tie guns? Because this thing did not come with any instructions, and I don't have a clue what to do with it. So I had an order for an angel, so I thought I might as well do the angel and try to figure out how to use this thing. Hey Mary, how are you? Yeah, I have no clue. And don't you think they'd give you instructions? I got this at Amazon. I suppose there probably was a place I could have go. Hey, Joe, what's up? Haven't seen you in forever. Yeah, so, I mean, I'm sure there's probably something somewhere to see how to use this. There probably is, Linda. I have no clue. So, I know it's supposed to pull your zip ties and cut them, but somebody who has one of these is gonna have to show me what the heck to do with it, because you guys know me, I am bad with this kind of stuff. So I couldn't decide what to make tonight, and then I got this order for this angel, so I thought, let me just use it on that, have you guys keep me company, and maybe someone on my live will have one of these and be able to show me. Please do, Joe. And you know me, I can't figure out this kind of stuff. I mean, I'm just so untech savvy. Hey Kathy. So I'm getting better at the halo. Check it out. The halo's doing pretty good so far. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. But I do want to add a little bit of glue since it is, so far it looks like it's holding. But I'm still going to add some glue. Hi Kimberly. I don't know how long it will, and my electric keeps going out with all these storms. Oh no, girl. Yes, it's on there. The same blue gun, too. Well, that's encouraging, Joe. Oh, stupid me. This was perfect. And then I had to go and put it down on the table. So, hopefully, I can put this up without messing it up completely. So, how is everyone doing? Hey, Lulu. It's on there, same blue gun. Well, thanks, Joe, but it won't help me right now. I'm going to use this thing tonight. So, who knows if I'm going to be able to figure it out. But guess what? There's got to be an easy way to do this. It can't be too hard, right? I mean, I don't know, but I don't have a clue. But we're going to get started on this angel and see where we get with this dumb old glue gun. Or not glue gun, zip tie gun. Let's count how many times I say glue gun before the night's over. So I'm going to put this down. Hey, Leanna, how are you? It pulls, yes. It's supposed to pull the zip tie, and it's supposed to cut it. You too, Carol? You're the second one that's told me you're having storms right now. I got my thingy, Carol. Hey, Michelle. But I have no clue how to use it. None whatsoever. And I should have looked on YouTube or something, because I'm sure, I don't know, there's probably a way. I don't know. Let's put a piece of mesh on and then figure it out. Oh, I know, Kimberly, someone else from Ohio said that. And look, someone in Texas is having storms. On what you're tying, the glue gun just pulls it. Hey, Sandy. All right, well, we'll give it a whirl as soon as I get a piece of mesh in. So we're doing orange and white. That's what the customer requested. So let's see how this thing works. I've seen it used, but couldn't tell you. She made it look easy. Should be in her. You know me, Tina. You know me with something new. It should be really exciting. So this is the petal we use for the angel. Of course, these are 9-inch pieces. Oh no, it's not like that. Don't do that. That's not the right petal. Hey, Melinda, you just pull it and scrunch it up in the middle, and then turn it, and just, all right. So at this point, we're supposed to be able to use this gun. What do? Just stick it in there like that? That's, it's not doing anything. This thing is not working. What the heck? It's not doing anything. Hey, Debbie. Connie, feed the tail, pull the trigger, it pulls and tightens and curls. Okay, Mary Lou, but where do I feed the tail? In here? How the heck do I feed the tail? I can't believe this thing. It's going to take us all night to figure this out. I'll tell you that. All right. Oh, wait. I think... Am I supposed to hold it? I think it's doing something. What the heck? Are you supposed to hold it? This is going to take forever. In between the teeth. Okay. That's where it is. It's in between the teeth. Oh my